An overview of library catalog. A library catalog is a comprehensive list or database of all the materials held by a library. It serves as an organized index or inventory of the library's collection, including books, journals, periodicals, multimedia resources, digital materials, and other items available for borrowing or reference. The purpose of a library catalog is to help users efficiently locate and access materials within the library's collection. Catalogs typically contain information about each item in the collection, such as the title, authors, publication date, subject headings, call number, and location within the library. Traditionally, library catalogs were maintained in print format, often using cards arranged alphabetically or by subject. However, with the advent of digital technology, most libraries now maintain their catalogs electronically, accessible through computer terminals, online interfaces, or library management systems. Library catalogs play a crucial role in facilitating research, education, and information access for library patrons, scholars, students, and the general public. They enable users to search for specific materials, explore related topics, identify available resources on a particular subject, and determine the availability and location of items within the library's collection. Need and purpose of library catalog. Library catalogs serve several essential purposes, making them indispensable components of any library system. Access to information. Catalogs provide users with efficient access to the library's collection. Users can search for materials based on various criteria such as title, author, subject, or keyword, making it easier to find relevant resources. Organization and management. Catalogs help libraries organize and manage their collections effectively. By maintaining a comprehensive inventory of all materials, libraries can track items, monitor circulation, and ensure proper shelving and storage. Resource discovery. Catalogs facilitate resource discovery by enabling users to explore related materials and discover resources they may not have been aware of initially. Though features such as subject headings and cross referencing catalogs help users discover materials behind their initial search queries. Information retrieval. Catalogs streamline the process of retrieving information by providing detailed metadata about each item in the collection. Users can quickly access information such as publication details, summaries, and availability status, helping them make informed decisions about which resources to use. Location and access. Catalogs help users locate physical items within the library, guiding them to the correct shelves or sections where materials are housed. In addition, catalogs may indicate whether an item is available for borrowing, reference, or in a specific format. Example: print, digital. Interlibrary loan and resource sharing. Library catalogs facilitate interlibrary loan services and resource sharing initiatives by allowing libraries to share information about their collections with other institutions. Users can discover materials available in other libraries and request them through interlibrary loan programs. Collection development. Catalogs assist librarians in collection development activities by providing insights into the usage and popularity of various materials. Analysis of catalog data can inform decisions about acquisitions, deselection, and resource allocation. Overall, library catalogs play a vital role in enhancing access to information, supporting research and scholarship, and promoting lifelong learning within communities. They serve as valuable tools for both library users and staff, enabling efficient organization, discovery, and utilization of library resources. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't miss to click bell icon.